We are going to explain how to connect M-ZAES server to the amplifier and to the speakers. Once you receive the package, if you open the package now, you can see the server looks like this with the output ports. If it is 5 zone, this will be like this. If it is 8 zone, you will have 8 output ports and now 4 inputs. 4 inputs means sources, right? So once you unpack them now, so you can keep like this. Before that, let's go to the speaker connections. Generally, no, you need to connect the ohms related speakers. If at all your speaker has a transformer, then you need to bypass the transformer. So we are going to show you how to bypass it. Yeah, you just need to remove those wires and connect to the speaker cable. Okay, let's connect to the speaker cable. This looks like, yeah, make sure they are not short when you are connecting. Okay, yeah, you take the speaker cable and now connect it. Yes, positive wire you connect to the positive, and negative wire you connect to the negative. Then now make sure that now you have kept the tape so that no they are not short. Or best thing is like no you shoulder the wires, then no you don't see any problem going forward. So that's what you need to do. Yeah, use the best tape so that no it won't give you a problem later. Then once speaker is connected, so what you need to do, connect those cables to the amplifier. So make sure that now you don't on the amplifier till you connect, till you make all the connections. Yeah, speaker is done. Then take the connectors which we sent along with the amplifiers and the box. So you just need to yeah, put the speaker wires to it, left and right, positive and negative. As mentioned, no, you need to connect them. Yeah, you just keep the speaker wires. Make sure that no the leads are not short when you are connecting. Otherwise, no amplifier will go off, will be burnt. So connections are very important. Yeah. So once you make sure that no there is no short, then no you connect to the amplifier. Just plug in like this. Yeah. Once that is done, now connect the output of the server, the first zone output, to the input of the amplifier. Just take left and right from the server, yeah, like this, and now connect to the left and right of the amplifier. Right. So similarly, you need to make the connections for all the speakers and the outputs from the server to the amplifier. Once that is done, keep the network cable, right, and you can keep the power cable. Okay, once that is also done, what you need to do, you just need to on the server and amplifier. Yeah, maybe first let's on the server. So it will take maybe 5 to 10 seconds before it starts. Yeah, once it starts now you can see the glowing LED. Now on the amplifier also. Okay. Yeah, once server and amp is on now launch the app. Okay, yeah, so it will automatically search and connect. Then now you just need to select one room, first room, and now play the song. Yeah, it should start playing. Right, yeah, this is how you need to connect. So make sure that now before you switch on, so you need to make sure that now the speakers are connected well, there is no shorts in the speakers, there is no shorts when you are connecting the amplifier. So always when you are making any changes, just power on the amplifier, power off the amplifier, power off the amplifier, then do the changes, then power on the. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching.